Hello dear friends, today I'll be showcasing 5 amazing drones from AliExpress that will elevate your flying experience. You can find the links to all the products in the descriptions below. I am introducing these products to you through affiliate marketing, so you can support me by buying them. To not miss out on other cool products that I'll be sharing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell, like this video. Let's go! Introducing the KBD FA new drone H16 GPS professional quadcopter. The perfect choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. Fly confidently up to 120 meters away with a flight time of 18 minutes on a single charge. Capture stunning 108op photos and videos with the dual camera system, featuring a 90-degree adjustable angle and a 120-degree wide-angle lens. Advanced GPS ensures precise positioning, while intelligent obstacle avoidance and one-button return enhance safety and ease of use. The foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry. Enjoy stable flight with optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Additional features like headless mode, smart follow, and electronic fence protection make flying simple, even for beginners. Elevate your aerial photography with the KBD FA H16 drone. Introducing the new S6 Max drone, the ultimate tool for professional aerial photography. This foldable quadcopter is designed for ease and portability. Equipped with a powerful 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera, capture stunning high-definition images and videos from a 120 wide-angle lens. Experience precise GPS positioning and a flight time of up to 20 minutes. The S6 Max offers advanced features like altitude hold for stable flights, waypoint flight mode to follow your custom route, and orbital motion for unique shooting angles. With a 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance of up to 5,000 meters, enjoy real-time image transmission straight to your phone. The drone's intelligent functions include headless mode, one-click takeoff and landing, and automatic return home. Built with high-strength engineering plastics, it's both lightweight and durable. Perfect for beginners and pros. Elevate your aerial adventures with the new S6 Max drone. Introducing the MIJI AZ908 Max drone, your ultimate companion for professional aerial photography. Equipped with an 8000 HD camera, this drone delivers breathtaking photos and videos. Its dual camera system includes a front wide-angle lens and an optical flow lens at the bottom, both stabilized with electronic image stabilization for crystal clear shots. With a control range of up to 5,000 meters and real-time 5G Wi-Fi image transmission, you can capture stunning visuals from afar. The drone's intelligent features include GPS positioning, altitude hold, gesture photography, and customizable routes via the app. The MIJI AZ908 Max is designed for ease of use with one-key return, headless mode, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, ensuring safe flights every time. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the brushless motors provide powerful performance and longevity. Elevate your aerial photography with the MIJI AZ908 Max drone. Introducing the Xiaomi Mijia V88 drone, the perfect tool for professional aerial photography. This advanced drone features an 8000 HD dual camera with electronic image stabilization, delivering stunningly clear photos and videos. The V88 drone includes intelligent features such as GPS positioning, altitude hold, optical flow localization, and customizable flight routes via the app. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the powerful 3.7V to 200 mAh lithium battery ensures ultra-long battery life. Enjoy stable flights with the 6-axis gyroscope and 5 GHz anti-interference technology. Additional features include gesture photography, one-key return, headless mode, and 720 omnidirectional obstacle avoidance for safe flying. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Xiaomi Mijia V88 drone elevates your aerial photography experience to new heights. Introducing the P11 Pro Max drone, a top choice for professional aerial photography. This advanced drone features an 8000 HD dual camera with electronic image stabilization, ensuring stunningly clear photos and videos. With an impressive control distance of up to 10,000 meters and a flight time of about 45 minutes, the P11 Pro Max is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes. Equipped with brushless motors, GPS positioning, and optical flow localization, it offers stable and precise flights. The intelligent lithium battery and ultra-long battery life make it ideal for extended use. Additional features include a 720 omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, customizable flight routes via the app, gesture photography, and one key return for easy operation. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the 5G Wi-Fi ensures seamless image transmission. You can find the links to all the products in the descriptions below. Let me know your favorite drone and what other products you'd like to see videos of in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.